Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's Jacqueline Christine here, and today we are going to be doing a full glam fall look. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned and we'll get started. Alright, so today I'm going to start with my little mini Fix Plus, the Set and Prep. And I'm just going to prep my face. I'm going to use this as my primer. Let that dry down some. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to use Milani, the Conceal Imperfect Concealer and Foundation. I'm just going to put some of that on my hand, if I can get it to work. Oh, please don't tell me I broke it.
She cut out of it.
Oh no, I think I broke it. Alright guys, well we won't be using Milani. We're going to be using my Infallible Total Cover by L'Oreal. And I'm just going to squirt a little on my hand. And I'm going to start applying it with my brush. Okay, and now that the foundation is all done, I am going to be using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to put a little in my problem areas under my eyes, in between my eyebrows and down my little nosy. And I'm going to take my Wet Beauty Blender and I'm going to blend that out. This is a really good concealer. It's, I would say full coverage, but it's not like real cakey like some full coverage concealers are. I really like it. Okay, and now that it's all blended out, I'm going to be taking my Coty Airspun and I'm going to set my under eyes. It's good to set your under eyes immediately after doing your concealer and making sure that the creases are blended out, because if you wait and you have creases under your eyes and you set the concealer with the powder, it will set the creases into your makeup, and you don't want that. We don't want that at all. And I'm going to set on the side of my nose. I'm going to set anywhere that my face crease is really bad. So also I'm going to set right in my smile lines here. Just like that. And after a little bit, I'm going to let it bake. And after a little bit, I will be dusting all this off. It's not going to be as extreme, but I am going to take a little bit of a fluffy brush and just set my forehead, because my forehead gets very oily, but I don't want to bake my forehead. And just set a little bit on my cheeks. Okay, and next I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I am going to be taking my bronzer, my bronzer brush. This is a blending brush by e.l.f. And I'm going to be bronzing up my face. I love this bronzer by Benefit. It's very pigmented, so you don't need a lot, but it blends very nicely. And then bronze up the forehead some. There we go. If you see an annoying little kid hopping in and out of the picture, I am filming with my son nearby, and he keeps coming in and out, in and out. It is the weekend, and he is obviously home. I will be posting this on Monday, but it is the weekend right now. It's Sunday, and he's popping around driving me crazy. So I do apologize.
Sorry.
Bud, shh. Next, I'm going to take a little bit more of my Code Airspun, and I'm going to bake and cut right underneath my bronzer just to sharpen up that line. Like so. All right, I'm going to be taking my blush. Oh no, I'm not going to do that now, actually. I'm going to be going in with my Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. It looks like this. It is very used, but it's one of my favorite palettes. And I am just going to be taking a blendy brush, and I'm going to be going in with... Actually, I'm going to go in with base at first and put a coat over my whole eye. Just so I'll have some eyeshadow. It makes it a little easier to blend. And then I'm going to be going in with Incense, which is this light brown color here. And I'm just going to focus this in my crease. Ooh, it's very pigmented. Be careful. I put a little bit too much on my brush. Just make sure you blend that out seamlessly. Actually, let me grab my bigger mirror. I'm going to go back into that same color and just make sure I blend it. And then I am going to be going in with Violet Tool, which is this brown color here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid. I'm just going for a simple smoked out brown look. I might actually take a smaller pack brush like this and use that same color. It might make it a little easier. And then I'm going to take a smaller blendy brush. Let me find one like this. And I'm going to go into that same color stop, please. In that same color. And I'm going to blend it into my crease slightly. Go. And And then I'm going to go into the color Dreamer, which is this pretty highlighted color, and put that into my inner corner. Put it above. Oh no. I'm going to be cleaning that back up and I'll be right back. Sorry. All right, now that I've fixed my eye makeup, I'm going to be going in with my Physicians Formula Kohl liner, and I'm going to be lining my waterline, sorry. Like so. Okay, and I'm not going to be doing a wing liner on top today. I do like them sometimes, but I'm not into them on a daily basis. But I am going to be going in with the same brown colors, and I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lash line. Like so. Like so. And then I'm going to be going in with my Cargo mascara, and I am going to put mascara on my lashes. I like this mascara. It's a pretty good one. Only thing is the bristles are kind of pointy, so if you get too close to your eye, it does like hurt a little bit. But other than that, it's like a really good mascara. When I wear this one, I feel like it lifts my eyelashes a lot, and I don't have to wear false lashes. Okay. So that eye is done. I'm going to go off camera and finish this eye, and I will be right back. Okay, now both eyes are done, so it's time to dust off my bake. Okay. And then we're going to go in with our It Cosmetics for Quad palette, and it has this pretty coral pink blush in it, and we're just going to use that to blush up our cheeks. It adds a light flush of color. Here we go. And they do have this highlighter shade, which I've never used it. I'm gonna have to see. Oh, that's pretty. I might just use that for my highlighter. Okay. Oh, it's a little subtle highlight. Nothing crazy. Okay. And now that my face makeup is all done, I'm going to go in with my Peach Mist by Too Faced, and I'm going to set my face. Let it dry real quick. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my Vivid Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Smoky Rose. And I'm going to do my lipstick. I like this lipstick, but I feel like you have to add multiple coats because it like shears out. All right. And my makeup is all done. So this is the finished product. It's a little bit of a vampy fall look. I like the way it turned out. I hope you guys like it. Well, if you do, push the like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so you can see every time I upload a video. And if you have any suggestions of what kind of videos I should post, or if you have any topics you want me to talk about, just leave a comment down below. I will be in my comments commenting back. And until next time, bye.